If you've ever wished you could combine top-tier industry training with a week in the Caribbean, our topic today will be one you do not want to miss. We're talking about a one-of-a-kind experience where restoration professionals like you step out of the classroom onto a cruise ship, doesn't this sound good? And earn industry certifications while sailing turquoise waters. At least I think they're turquoise. You can call them blue if you'd like. Sound good to you? But there's more info you need. Today, we're joined by someone who is going to be on this cruise that I'm talking about, Doug Hoffman, the executive director of NORMI, and someone who is planning to make sure that everyone who comes gets education, a good time, and a chance to relax. Doug, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Jeff. Good to be here.
Good to have you. I know we've talked about this cruise before. It's coming up end of February, early March.
We've got some new training that we're going to be doing. We'll talk about that for just a second here. But we've got some new training with a new certification, which is kind of cool. But you know what else people are going to get on this cruise in February and March? A sunburn. Where else would you want to be, man, except in the Caribbean? What a great trip this is going to be. So excited about it. Restoration Journeys has done a fantastic job of coordinating this, and we're just going to have a blast.
Now, have you been shopping for new swim trunks or knowing you, Doug, another Speedo?
No Speedo in sight. That would not be nice. No, everybody would leave the ship.
They
So
have nowhere, they can't go anywhere. They're stuck.
they would be
Uh,
stuck for sure. No,
no.
but we're looking to do some shopping in some of these cool places that I've never been before, the ABC locations,
Hmm.
and that's going to be fun to be able to see those. I'm not really big on all of the extra activities that you can do off the ship, but I do like going into the town and kind of getting a flavor of what's going on in that city. So that's going to be fun to do for sure.
It will be. And all joking aside, there is time by the pool. There's time to relax. Classroom at sea is in the mornings, I believe, and then your rest of your day and evening is free. But some really good people are coming on this, Doug. It's just going to be a great networking opportunity. Why don't you, for maybe for those who don't really know much about this cruise, 'cause we've had other videos on it, but what can they really expect as we get on board, as we leave, as we enjoy those days at sea and all that?
Well, I think the networking side of this, you're exactly right, Jeff, is huge. I mean, we're going to have some professionals as well as myself training, but there's going to be other people training on this cruise. There's going to be friends of Normie, which is kind of cool. So it'll be a broad group of people. And that's always great to be able to sit around next to the pool, relax, and just kind of talk about industry things. And so that's going to be fun for sure besides the time that we're going to have on the different islands that we're going to. But the other thing is the training, and I think the training is huge because, as you mentioned, it's really tough to fit in 2 days of training on a cruise. But Restoration Journeys has done a great job of allowing us to schedule our training for half days. So they'll be, as you suggested, half days in the morning. Will be done by lunchtime each day that we're on the sea, and then we can go do whatever we want to do in the afternoon. So that's going to be kind of fun.
I would say I've been on, I think, three of these cruises with Restoration Journeys. It is top notch as far as how they treat you, the experience. If I recall, Doug, we don't have to wear a suit to go to class, I hope. What?
No suit for you, but no Speedo either, Jeff. You'll definitely have to be clothed, no doubt about that.
Well, yes, that will happen. But
But it,
uh,
it'll be casual, and I'm sure that people will be in their Hawaiian shirts and their shorts and their flip flops, no doubt about that, which is kind of nice because it is a very relaxed atmosphere. We're going to be talking about biotoxin decontamination. So this is kind of a big subject now with our new medical advisory board. We want to talk about our new level 4 protocol, how that can actually help people who are environmentally sensitized. So that's just one of the classes. Our plan is to actually have two classes, and that will provide about 14 hours of continuing education credits toward not only the state of Florida, but also toward your NORMI certification and also credits for the ICRC. So this is a really great opportunity to get your money back, right? Because it's a business write-off if you're taking classes, so you can get your money back from the IRS. But the point is that you're going to get good training, good networking opportunity, great food, a lot of fun time together. In fact, I think I was told Restoration Journeys is planning some type of get together the night before, so we can be in a hotel and spend some time together that night before we go on the ship the next day. So it's going to be a great time.
So right below us, we can see the URL, the website to get more information. If you want to make a phone call, there's a phone number on the website as well to call for more information. Because really, this is an investment. We think about 8 days uh, of the cruise and the training and all that. But take a close look at it. If you're watching this program right now, take a close look. It's a vacation, it's work, it's with people you're going to, if you don't already know them, you're going to learn who they are and you're going to enjoy the networking and get good friends, new friends as well. But Doug, I don't know if there's anything else to add other than if you're thinking about it, you need to sign up, right? It's time.
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and get that thing done because the rooms are filling up, and we don't know exactly how many folks are going to be there, of course, because a lot of people wait till the last minute. But I would say this is the last minute. Time to get it done before Christmas. What a great Christmas present this would be for somebody's wife.
Ooh. Or what
Mm.
about a wife who's not in the industry for her husband? Who is?
That would even be better, wouldn't it? Because
Hmm.
then she could lay by the pool while he was being taught.
Wow, we should have thought of this earlier.
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
It will be. Doug, thank you for this. And I don't know if I'm going to see you before the cruise, but if not, see you there.
Absolutely.